Big Sight, New, Hank, SOCAIL, Big Sir. Y'all know how this shit go, you know. All eyes on me. Motherfucker, G. Roll up in the club and shit. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. You know what? I bet you got it twisted, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas trying to sound like us. Say they ready for the funk, but I don't.
Alright, right now we're in Toys R Us. Bryant tweaking back there. What you say?
Who would have a bike like this?
A lot of people. I seen with a bike like this. He tweaking.
Look at the handlebars.
Oh, somebody put the work right here. Bye. Look at my BMW i8 right here. Just bought it, you know. Trick out wheels and all that. Gee, look at my Audi RA2.
Hey, you know this is BMW.
It's an i8 back there, and this is an R8. Which one should I get? The R8 face rain, or should I get this BMW i8 like and store it tomorrow? This is a Porsche, and they got a Porsche down here. Dang, people babies be cruising. Let me see the interior. Not bad, not bad. I should probably hop in there to do it. It's the easiest 25.
We should have a Nerf challenge.
Of course, inside the store.
Let's play.
Come on, hop in.
What's his name? Marcus Kane?
No, Patrick Kane.
Patrick Kane. That's a blooper.
Come on, blooper. Alright, so we're finna go. Alright, so we're finna try to see any more spots. This isn't the best spot. It's kind of small down there.
People go to school like they gotta carry you over instead of doing.
I look to go to school like that for real, for real. Alright, so we're about done with the fort. Pretty long. We tried to make another fort for 24 hours because like, we finna be here for a long time, so yeah. So we ready, Brian?
Yeah, come on.
So yeah.
Hold on.
Alright, so you know we need to grab some essentials for the fort.
What color you want?
You
get that blue.
Dang, it's really big. Yeah, yeah, let's go back to fort real quick. Back in there. It's hard? No, I'm not grab that one. Grab me the light blue one down there.
This turquoise not warm.
That's good. Pretty nice. Hey, like. Let's go.
It's like a trap door.
Alright, so pretty much, oh, that's Mickey, fo.
This is Ari.
It's my Alright, so you know, you gotta grab some pillows and all that.
Got to
grab some pillows. I think we need my main man SpongeBob since SpongeBob is about to close down soon. And
It close down. It stopped.
Well, actually, no, not SpongeBob. That's what. Yeah, SpongeBob. Cause we can have a special guest SpongeBob. But let's go back to Fort.
Like way more Star Wars stuff.
We got the Star Wars collection for me, you know. I might have to pick it up, cause you know, Star Wars.
Solo,
That's kinda
Chewbacca, Twan Sluchu, some gangbanger Finn, Ray.
Ray Finn.
First Order 24.
What's the girl named Ray? Hit me up. The Daisy Ridley, person that played her. My man Thomas. That's kind of cool. Brian Tweakton finna write it again.
This cold, bro. This a bootleg cover board.
Alright, so now finna go back to the fort. And yeah. Alright, so it's like 10 o'clock right now. Alright, perfect. But just, no one can see it unless they come.
Love me when love me when love me when love me when love me. Oh, I need someone to 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 love me when love me when love me when love me. Just love me. Just love me. Love me when I'm lonely. Love me when
So they got my man Master Chief and Lynx from yeah, my man Master Chief got the guns and everything. And then they got my man Iron Man.
You about it?
How much this cost?
100.
Try me. Okay, try me. There's no button for it right here. Okay, never mind. I'm not finna try Darth Vader out there. My man Darth Vader looking smooth right now. Aren't you, my man? What's up, what's up, what's up? Oh, we got the little lightsaber too? Oh, that's low-key though. How much this cost? 100? They got me messed up. They got my main man Spider-Man though. I'm gonna come back and buy that though. Our price range is $10, no $6.
And here,
It's low key cold for it.
is this Anthony Davis? Oh, this a lot of people. LeBron, Vince Carter, Lil Okafor. This is cold, and they got a thing they jump off of.
Really? How much it cost though? That's legal. It better be $10.
20. No, hold on. I don't know what the fuck this is called.
If it costs $10.
I don't know what it's called.
Yeah, they got Cam Newton too. That's oh yeah, that's cool. Gee, they got. I might buy RC truck just for some memories. Grave Digger. What's the dude that drove it? Dennis Smith probably. Not Dennis Smith. Dennis something.
Dennis Smith is 18-year-old.
That's what. Oh, yeah. Hey, we're toward the fort. Alright, right now we're chilling. Brian back there chilling. It's about like 1 o'clock right now. But we're finna now probably staying here for a little more and then come back out and then sleep in our other fort because our other fort's a little better. And then wake back up and then that's the day.
Metro Boomin, want some more, nigga.
Young Savage, why you trapping so hard? Why these niggas capping so hard? Why you got a 12-car garage? Why you pulling out these rappers' cards? Cuddy.
Brian down there still chilling. He brought some food, so it should be decent too. Alright, so we in here. I'm looking bogus every other video. But yeah. We in right now. I'm kinda tired. I might take a nap real quick. Brian tired too. The baby stroller and Toys R Us. Got 2 forts in here. Well, not that many people in Toys R Us anyway, so yeah. Like barely any workers either. Brian fell asleep real quick. I'm about to fall asleep too. Take a quick nap. Hopefully we wake up in time before it closes so we can show y'all it's closing. And yeah. Alright, YouTube, it's 5:44. I'm gonna wake up Bryant because a lot of workers coming by. We gotta hurry and get out of here. Shout out BB-8 or Mickey. BB-8 for the rescue. Hey.
Bro, stop tweaking, bro.
Hey, come on, bro. We gotta go. There's a lot of workers around here. Alright. Alright, wait. Let's bust out. Alright, we're finna bust out real quick, YouTube. And play around for a little bit. That's a decent nap, I think. And yeah. I thought.
Brandon, what up, bro? Who made this beat?
Look at this shit.
Let me see you do shit 2 times. I scat 2 times. 2 times. Let me see you do shit 2 times. 2 times. Let me see you do shit 2 times. 2 times. Let me see you do shit 2 times. 2 times. Let me see you do this shit 2 times. 2 times.
Don't fall asleep. Yeah.
Yeah. Everybody keep asking me how I get the drip, how I get drip this, how I get drippy that, how I get drip this, how I be flat this, how I be fucking bitches that. They say how I get all the drip. Well look, I get the drip from my wall. 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 A bad bitch love north. I'm smoking dope to exhaust. Money coming from the vault. I get the drip from my wall.
This is my part. I got next.
Alright, so the fort pretty decent. We got SpongeBob back there. Show him SpongeBob real quick. Focus real quick. Got SpongeBob. Hey, put SpongeBob next to your face so it can be a thumbnail. Alright, next SpongeBob, we got Mickey, BB-8 right there. Beanbag, we got a little pretty long fort. Finna go out real quick, mess around a little bit, yeah. Alright, come out first, come out here. Alright, so let's pack up a little bit.
That's okay.
I got that big one. No, wait, but you can't fit it no.
Taking off for college. Y'all probably missed Black Nemo. He was in the last video. You couldn't see him really because he was outside of the swing.
You get in, push it around. Got a pillow back there, got a pillow right here. We might sleep here, we might not. I think it's good isolated. But yeah, see how it is, the fort. Alright, so we've been here for a little bit, you know. No one comes by these little bike sections. But we might get out, go back to the other fort to sleep at. They're about to close literally a couple minutes. So it's hard from getting over there before any work can see us. Alright, Brian, let's go, alright? Alright. Too dirty.
I need to get paid.
Yeah, like we need 1 million views. That's real dark outside. Told you, folks, dark now. Let's go back to the fort. I'll tell you, it's real dark. Let's go back to the fort. Go back to the fort, and yeah, I told y'all for 24 hours. But yeah, let's go back to the fort now. Yeah, my man, Star Wars, Kylo Ren lightsaber, King Huncho. That's dope, that little drone. But yeah, go back to the fort now. Yeah. Go back to the fort, we'll see you back at the fort.
We are scientists in our lab, looking through the microscope. The little glass sides ain't never.
Y'all recording? I don't think so. I'm real tired right now. Brian finna fall asleep, I'm finna fall asleep. Almost 11. They close at 10. They're just restocking right now. I'm kinda scared. But yeah, let's go. So it's like 10 something. Alright, so it's like 10:10 right now. They're about to close a little bit. I think they just closed. So stay here, go to sleep, and yeah, see how it goes.
Love me when love me when love me when love me when love me. Oh, I need someone to 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 love.
What happened? We could do this like 24/7. We just woke up. What you think, Brian? It's pretty sweet.
I'm tired as hell. Let's go back to sleep.
He tired. He trying to go back to sleep. We just woke up. It's Russell Westbrook clean service. I'll show you what time it is. It's 8:24 right now. So we're finna go out. And yeah, it was successful. So good job, everybody. And let's go out. This fort was a success.
Play me some pimpin', man.
And I'm ballin', up, and I'm ballin', and I'm ballin', and I'm ballin', and I'm ballin'.
And one.
Hair Power World's right there. Now you can go to the Simpsons World.
And
Pretty hot outside. I should have brought a second shirt because you water ride. But Universal Studios is more for like teens and all that. And adult. Epcot's pretty decent too. Disney World, that's like little kids. But I'm gonna go there next time I come to Orlando. But yeah, here's part of London. I'm finna be spending $1,000 today on these galaxies for Yeezy Belugas. I'm spending $1,000 today for.